If you are planning to visit Antwerp, to see a harbor is a must. So in this video, we are gonna to be talking about the best way to explore the port. We'll share our personal experience and tips on how to get there, how to better prepare, and what to expect so that you can have an excellent experience in Antwerp. Always know where you go.
You see a little hole. Any idea why this little hole is inside? Because it's like for the cats, and the cats will catch the mouses.
So before coming to the harbor, we explored the city of Antwerp with tuk-tuk and a local professional guide. And what you just saw was the answer to the question where the guide asked you last time. If you also want to see this video, check it right here. And now let's continue about the harbor of Antwerp. Before coming here, we had guided tour with tuk-tuk and explored the city. And after the trip, the guide brought us straight to the boat. But if you come here straight by car or on foot, a good landmark could be London Bridge. As an option, we recommend taking a tour in the city before, and at the end visit Mass Museum. After the Mass, it will be just around 400 meters to walk to the London Bridge. All the direction you will find on our website myfamilytravelzone.com. We also posted a link in the description below. We are not familiar with everybody, but we know about the boat that we used. The name of the ship is Jan Plezier, and we took a regular tour which lasted for around 90 minutes. What we like that they have interactive guides and tablets with all required information. Because of that, we were able to hear the audio guide, look at the tablet and check the exact location, and the most important, to see and feel the harbor in the real places. Also, I would like to mention that couple Sundays every month, starting March to November, Jan Plezier organizes pancake boat. For more information, contact the boat crew directly. Let's start the boat trip. After a few minutes, we approached the first modern object with the name New Port House of Antwerp. This modern building is the new headquarters of the Antwerp Port Authority, and this house accommodates more than 500 staff members. We saw the building from the boat, but you can have a guided tour separately and explore more. Before, this building was a fire station, and now it is restored and is a symbol for the second biggest port in Europe. A short story about Antwerp Harbor from the local guide.
And if you take a look and we go further and further, the docks get bigger and bigger. And Antwerp is very known for petroleum. The rough petroleum is coming from Rotterdam via pipelines and then made in kerosene, and then again via pipelines it's going to Brussels to our airport.
Did you drink a cup of coffee today? It is very likely that the coffee that you drink every day has passed this harbor.
We can, with our stock of coffee beans, offer per day the whole world 1 cup of coffee.
In the port of Antwerp, you can see the largest cargo ships. Port infrastructure is well developed because railway, roads and water connect docks. And because of its central location in Europe, the port has become the second largest seaport. So our final remarks. The distance from Grootmarkt in the city center is around 1.5 kilometers. So exploring the city is not so far to walk to the harbor. Although it is possible to buy tickets on the boat, we recommend to book a boat cruise in advance, especially if it is a pancake cruise. If there are less than 25 persons present, the administration remains the opportunity to cancel the journey. So our recommendation, check with the administrator in advance. Use the audio guide, because without a guide you won't understand where you are and what those places mean. If you are planning to visit Antwerp or Belgium, visit our website where you will find some details and required information. If you liked this video, do not forget to leave us a thumb up. If you're new here and would like to see more, do not forget to subscribe, and see you in Waterloo, where you'll be able to meet the famous Napoleon Bonaparte and to hear a short story about this famous battle. Thanks for watching, and always know where you go.